Which Indian city launched the Ma Yamuna Swachhta Abhiyan for river cleanup in July 2025? The options are A. Kolkata, B. Delhi, C. Varanasi. The correct answer is Delhi. Which school from India won NASA's 2025 Space Settlement Design Contest? The options are A. S.R.N. Mehta CBSE School, B. DPS Noida, C. Alpha CBSE School. The correct answer is S.R.N. Mehta CBSE School. Which place organized a nature art contest linked to World Nature Conservation Day? The options are A. Nilgiri Biosphere Nature Park, B. Pune City Art Festival, C. Jaipur Arts Zone. The correct answer is Nilgiri Biosphere Nature Park. Which state government has launched the She Cohort 3.0 initiative to empower women-led startups? The options are A. Odisha, B. Punjab, C. Haryana. The correct answer is Punjab. What new digital identity system for addresses did the Indian government launch in mid-2025? The options are A. Bharat Stack, B. India Stack 2.0, C. Digipin, Digital Address Code. The correct answer is Digipin, Digital Address Code. Which state declared a ban on single-use plastics in hilly tourist zones in mid-2025? The options are A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. What is the name of the robot launched by ISRO for educational outreach in July 2025? The options are A. Sophia, B. Kuri, C. Vyomitra. The correct answer is Vyomitra. Which state's tableau won the first prize in the state's UTs category at the Republic Day Parade 2025? The options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. In which state Indiram Atmiya Bharosa scheme was recently launched? The options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Telangana, C. Karnataka. The correct answer is Telangana. Which Indian city installed the country's first underwater museum this month? The options are A. Kochi, B. Vengurla, Sindhudurg, Maharashtra, C. Vishakhapatnam. The correct answer is Vengurla, Sindhudurg, Maharashtra. Which Indian scientist was honored with the 2025 United Nations Saskawa Award for Disaster Risk Reduction? The options are A. Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra, B. Dr. Tessie Thomas, C. Dr. G. Madhavan Nair. The correct answer is Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra. Which iconic Indian train celebrated 125 years of service in 2025? The options are A. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, B. Palace on Wheels, C. Nilgiri Express. The correct answer is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Which Indian environmental advocate has served as UN Environment Goodwill Ambassador focused on clean air? The options are A. Dia Mirza, B. Ayushman Khurrana, C. Ranveer Singh. The correct answer is Dia Mirza. Which bank becomes the first Indian bank to implement Clari 5's NCRP integration solution? The options are A. Canara Bank, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Bank of India. The correct answer is Punjab National Bank. Which organization has launched the quantum processor, Willow? The options are A. Google, B. Amazon, C. Meta. The correct answer is Google. Rani Durgavati Tiger Reserve is located in which state? The options are A. Odisha, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian city hosted the 2025 International Robotics Expo? The options are A. Bangalore, B. Hyderabad, C. Pune. The correct answer is Hyderabad. Which company launched India's first electric flying taxi prototype in July 2025? The options are A. Ola Aero, B. JetSetGo, C. Sala Aviation. The correct answer is Sala Aviation. India hosted the second BIMSTEC expert group meeting on cyber security cooperation in which city? The options are A. New Delhi, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad. The correct answer is New Delhi. Who recently won the India Open 2025 men's singles title? The options are A. Kidambi Shrikant, B. H.S. Pranoy, C. Victor Axelsen. The correct answer is Victor Axelsen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.